Friends, I welcome you all to the new episode on Carambola. Carambola or star fruit is one of the popular exotic fruits for its wealth of nutrients. It's crunchy, juicy fruit with a sweet and tart flavor. It comes with two varieties. One which is very sour and the larger one is sweeter one. Botanical name is Avaroha carambola. It is mostly found in tropical countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, cultivated commercially in India. The fruit shape is 5-point star. When cut looks like a star, hence it is called star fruit. Star fruit comes with rich array of nutrients, vitamin A, vitamin C, B5, B9, minerals like zinc, sodium, magnesium, copper, potassium. It is very low in calories, providing 28 calories and 6 grams of carbohydrates per serving. It is loaded with antioxidants. The powerful antioxidant properties in star fruit are beneficial for lowering inflammation, cholesterol levels, and lowers the risk of fatty liver. Now let me come to the most important point. Star fruits can be used in several recipes. Star fruits can be used in salads. Star fruits can be used in juices. And finally, in southern India, star fruit pickle is very favorite for many of us. Now, there are several health benefits of star fruit, namely, it lowers cholesterol. Carambola fruit is loaded with dietary fiber that helps in flushing out fat and cholesterol. Next, it prevents cancer. The ripe fruit is a storehouse of antioxidants, and even the peel of star fruit possesses strong anti-cancerous properties. Being rich in fiber, star fruit cleanses the colon, clears out the toxins, and lowers the risk of colon cancer. The third important benefit is it promotes digestion. The richness of dietary fiber in star fruit functions well to ease the symptoms of constipations, lowers bloating, flatulence, cramping, and diarrhea. Next, it regulates blood pressure. It is extremely beneficial in maintaining normal BP range. The host of plant compounds such as flavonoids, phytochemicals exhibits blood pressure lowering effects. It sustains weight loss. Star fruit is one of the preferred choices of fruit for all dieters as it is low in calories and dense in fiber. The presence of good amount of fiber boosts metabolism, keeps you satiated, and helps in losing weight. There is a very important point to note. Star fruit is generally not safe for people suffering from kidney ailments as it is rich in oxalates which may lead to kidney damage. People with kidney problems should avoid this fruit, should consult the doctor before consuming the fruit. Disclaimer is, star fruit is a very good fruit, but when you consume it, take the help of medical practitioners before consuming. So thank you for watching. Keep subscribing and watch my channel. Thank you.